Let's review how to use the Gravel Calculator accordion on the Gardener page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the Gardener page. Click on the Gravel Calculator accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can enter your measurement type, unit, volume, material, price unit, and cost per ton. After entering the values, click the equals icon to instantly calculate total tons required and total price. You can clear entries to start over, copy results, or securely share them, keeping your planning consistent and organized. It eliminates guesswork, overspending, and delays. Toolkit.law designed the Gravel Calculator to save time while maintaining the precision and organization that legal professionals expect. It's part of the larger mission to make law practice not only more efficient but also more balanced, connecting analytical skills with everyday utility. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Gravel Calculator.